Hello again. Big changes with the weather taking place over the course of this week, but it doesn't look like it's going to turn drier anytime soon. It won't be quite as warm and quite as humid. And it means we should finally start to lose the thunderstorm warnings. But we do have another one in force today. Slow-moving, thundery downpours across parts of England and Wales could again cause some problems. But again, like the last few days, they will be somewhat hit and miss. Actually, it's across Scotland and Northern Ireland where we've seen quite a bit of wet weather earlier today. Low pressure sitting across the UK, and this fairly slow-moving weather front has been bringing a band of rain across southern Scotland, especially extending now into parts of Northern Ireland. It's kind of fizzling out as it moves in, but still quite a wet time across Northern Ireland, central Scotland through the early part of the afternoon. Then across England and Wales, we're starting to see the thunderstorms break out. Hit and miss, yes, but where they do occur, lightning, hailstones and a lot of rain falling in a short space of time, so some tricky conditions on the roads. Staying quite grey across West Wales, southwest England, with more persistent rain here, and quite grey and misty and murky across eastern Scotland, but again, the far northwest should do all right for dry and bright weather here with some sunshine. 17, 18 possible across the Highlands. Where it stays cloudier, we're looking at mid-teens, but with some sunny spells across the Midlands, southern and eastern England. Temperatures into the low to even mid-20s across East Anglia. 25 is possible, but there will be those thundery downpours to be aware of. Quite slow moving as well, with the winds pretty light. We'll see a bit more wet weather edging back across Wales through the early hours. That could turn quite heavy over parts of North Wales. The showers will fizzle out through the evening, so for many places it will become dry overnight. Still quite misty, quite murky. It's quite warm and humid again. Temperatures holding up into the mid-teens generally. Into Tuesday, and again it's a case of watching the showers develop. Some sunny spells across the south once any mist has cleared. The breeze starting to pick up in the south. That is signs of a change, but slow-moving showers, again with light winds across northern England and especially southern and then central Scotland into the afternoon. Have a warning here for heavy showers. The rainfall, again, because the downpour is so slow-moving, could cause a few issues. So parts of Scotland, there's a yellow warning in force from the Met Office for Tuesday afternoon and evening. Some heavy showers too for Northern Ireland. The showers a bit more scattered across England and Wales during Tuesday, a bit more in the way of sunny spells. But again, where the showers do occur, they are likely to be heavy. But with more of a breeze, they will tend to zip through. And with a bit more sunshine, temperatures more widely over 20 Celsius through Tuesday afternoon. Those heavy downpours continue across parts of Scotland. A greater chance of some heavier ones across western Scotland, maybe through the course of the evening. Elsewhere, though, the showers will again start to fade. It'll turn a little bit clearer. Notice this area of cloud down to the southwest. That is another area of low pressure developing. So we start the week with low pressure, but not many isobars. Run through the week, this area moves in, bringing a wet and increasingly windy spell through Wednesday, and then this low starts to take over, and that will dominate, it looks like, through the latter part of the week, through Thursday and Friday. But look now, look at the number of isobars across the UK. So it is going to turn quite a lot windier. With those winds coming in from the Atlantic, the humid air will finally get moved on, but maybe not until the end of the week when it really starts to feel a little bit fresher. And all the while, there will be spells of rain around this week. So still plenty going on, but not quite the heat and the humidity. The nights will finally become at least a little bit more comfortable. Keep up to date with the latest Met Office weather warnings. Best way to do that, follow us on social media.